light snow, mist. Sounds like thunder, because these things are starting to ice up. And there's not enough, not like on my old phone I caught my throat in the ice, but see, that one's starting to slow down now. That one's barely going. That one. There it goes again. They'll slow down, and then all of a sudden they'll get real loud and thunderous, and they'll start right back up. These things suck. They take more energy to keep these things going than it does to produce energy. It's not clean. You should see the area around here. Besides ripping up the entire mountain, the oil that falls from them, the birds. Oh, you should see the blood in the summer against the wings when the birds get splattered against them. We have now lost the entire bat population up here just because they're gone. They come to the whistle and smack. They dump everything along the side. They don't clean up anything. They're a menace. And they can throw ice that can crush up to a house up to a mile away, maybe more. So, yeah, if you can avoid these things in your area, do it. Not to mention the fact, the neurological effects on them. Dizziness, vertigo, motion sickness. People get seizures because the blades block out the sun, and then all of a sudden it causes a flashing moment with the blades blocking out the sun every couple seconds. It causes a strobe light effect and causes seizures. As you can see how the blades are bending. Now there's, oh, I just heard something crack. One just threw something. But yeah, dangerous, dangerous, dangerous.